Thank you again for tuning in to Route 65 Sales and Classics, and this is our 1973 Chevrolet C10 Pro Street Show Truck. This truck started off as a show truck very early in its life and was converted between 1974 and 1975. There's a lot that makes this truck stand out. First of all, look at that ruby red metallic paint. That paint has stood the test of time and was painted by a well-known hot rod and motorcycle painter known as Peanuts, known for his custom paint designs. This one has really stood up for 50 years. The hood, to my understanding, and the tailgate have been resprayed. But look how good it looks for being almost 50 years old. You'll see some imperfections here and there. But look at it, how straight, laser straight this body is. Yeah, painted by Nuts, 1974. Now we're going to go into the bed of this truck. You notice that the bed is lowered. They made room for the axle just to accommodate the lower stance of the truck. You also have a large fuel cell in back as well too. But everything looks really good in here. Closes nicely. Also have weld wheels throughout the truck. And we're going to just go over this interior real fast. Pretty excited about it. This is not the first interior that they went with. Obviously, styles were different back in the 70s. They did update the interior, I want to say about 10, 15 years ago. I like how you have the Chevrolet embossed into the seats. 12,000 miles showing on the odometer, and looking at this vehicle and looking at the condition, that is the actual miles on it. This truck was not driven a lot. I believe it's only had 3 owners in its lifetime. Remember, it is a show truck, and it spent most of its life at car shows, magazines, and also pictures. Now we're going to get to the heart of this beast right here. And I'm going to get this open. Hold on 1 second. Sorry about that. Under the hood right here, you have a 454 Chevy V8 with a Whelen supercharger. Engine's been built right with this one. It does have a larger aluminum radiator. We do have electric cooling fans in here as well too. And we even have the convenience of air conditioning, making this truck really comfortable to drive. But take a look at that attention to detail in that engine compartment. Just absolutely amazing. Now we're going to get to the fun part. Let's start this bad boy up. The nice thing about this pickup truck, it will run on pump gas. We have window controls for the left, right side, wing windows, and also for the back window as well too. We have a newer Delco radio in there, and that's fitting for a Chevy. Let's go listen to that exhaust note. We have true dual exhaust here, as you can see. The empty up right here on the left side. It's a nice sound to it. Let's take a look at this 454. This is definitely a truck I would love to have in my garage, but I'd rather see it in yours. Now, this truck can be acquired on our website for $38,990. All you have to do is just go to our website at www.route65salesandclassics.com and take a look at this truck and take a look at any other inventory that we have available. I want to thank you again for choosing Route 65 Sales and Classics, and have a wonderful holiday season.